Hey, Jason Hubbard here, Loyalty Home Group, brokered by eXp Realty. Today I'm out in Casa Grande at Carlton Commons, which is constructed by DR Horton. It's a DR Horton community. Out here, the HOAs are $77 a month. And this is a newer community, so it's not yet near full development. This property behind me is a spec home for a floor plan called the Dean floor plan. This Dean floor plan is 4 bedrooms, 2 baths, 1,903 square feet with a 2-car garage. This property here is a spec home, like I said, currently listed at $379,990. Again, incentives on this one for your owner-occupied property are going to be up to $10,000 back in incentives. And if you're an investor, you can get, you're looking at up to 2% back in incentives. Let's go ahead and go inside and take a look at the Dean floor plan and see what you think. Okay, as we head inside the Dean floor plan, you'll notice here again, front landscape. This elevation is a little bit different than the other one. This house is a tiny bit bigger than the Pelican floor plan that we looked at previously. Here's what the 2-car garage will look like. Looks like it's about 22 feet in depth, 20 feet wide. Let's go ahead and take a look inside. As you come inside the front door here, you'll notice the garage door off to the left. You walk in a little foyer and you'll walk right into the living room with a nice covered patio on the back and sliding glass doors. Kitchen here, similar to the other kitchen, same white cabinets, granite countertops that you'll find throughout the home. Here you'll have a breakfast nook / dining area. We still have the 9-foot ceilings in the Dean floor plan. Electric range, oven, microwave, dishwasher, stainless steel. Pantry right here off the kitchen. Next we'll head into the master bedroom here. Views out to the backyard. Heading into the master bathroom here, you'll see a nice linen area, the granite countertops, white maple cabinets, and walk-in shower. This one here has a much bigger closet than the previous floor plan here. Looks like it's about 5 or 6 feet wide and a good, 15 feet in depth. As you come out of the master, you have your utility room, good location for it. I'm always up for letting the kids go all the way across the house while us parents have the laundry room right outside. So we don't have to load the laundry all the way down the hallway. Coming back, we're walking towards the entry here. Off this hallway here, you're going to find all the other bedrooms and bathrooms. We'll call this bedroom number 2. Bedroom number 2 has views out the front window. Bedroom number 3. This bedroom appears to be a little bit smaller. Bedroom number 4, which is similar to bedroom number 3. This looks more like your standard 10 by 10, 11 by 11, somewhere in that size. And then as we walk here to the guest bathroom, it does have a separate door for the shower and toilet, which is always good if you have 3 bedrooms sharing a bathroom, because you can have a kid in here getting ready while the other one's in the shower. So as we walked through the Dean floor plan, like I said, 1,903 square feet, 4-bedroom, 2-bath, 2-car garage. This property here, as I said before, let me look again here. $379,990 is the current price for this spec home. Obviously, the longer it's on the market, the more likely it is that number changes. However, according to the people at the sales office, homes are selling relatively quickly. They started with 27 homes. They have 9 homes left. They just started 2 months ago. So they have 9 homes left that are ready to sell. They're going pretty quickly at this price point. The important thing to remember here is when you come into a new construction sales office, bring your real estate agent with you. Make sure it's planned. Don't just pop in, because once you pop in without that real estate agent, you're giving up your right to representation, okay? This builder is happy to pay a real estate agent as long as you bring them with you up front. If you don't, you got to remember that the salespeople in the builder's office, they represent the seller. They represent the builder. They do not represent you, okay? So you want somebody fighting for you on your behalf that knows the contracts inside and out, that knows how to negotiate, that can handle these things for you, okay? If you have any questions about this Dean floor plan or any other floor plan, or if there's a community you'd like me to stop by and take a look at some floor plans for you, putting it in the comments down below. I'm happy to do that for you. My phone number is 480-588-2281. Please subscribe. Please like this video so that I can keep sending you more videos like it in the future.
Okay, so I did want to finish up this video of Casa Grande with a little aerial view of the south side of Casa Grande. What you'll see here is part of the community that's under development. It is a newer community. It's on the south end, so there's not really anything to the south of there. Casa Grande is a city with approximately 56,000 people. It's located almost exactly halfway between the cities of Phoenix and Tucson. You have great interstate access going north and south with Interstate 10 that can take you either to Phoenix or Tucson, or Interstate 8, which can take you over to San Diego. There's plenty to do in this city. It is, a decent sized city, so it's got movie theaters and shopping malls and retirement communities and all kinds of things, all kind of places to go to eat. And again, you're not that far from Phoenix or Tucson.